Hi angels, hi my loves. I'm back with another video. Happy Tuesday. If you're just joining us, I'm in the middle of a Crocs giveaway. So I have several of these Crocs on my channel that I will be giving away in the next couple of weeks, and we're just going to be doing giveaways until throughout Christmas. And I mean, that's not too long. Christmas is coming up pretty soon in the next couple of months. So stick with me if you want to go ahead and win a pair of these Crocs. I'll go ahead and leave all the instructions on how you enter the giveaway. I'm excited. Anytime I do a giveaway video, I get excited. You guys, double Dutch bus coming down the street, moving kind of fast, so better shuffle your feet. Okay, so it's giveaway time, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be giving away a pair of these Crocs. I'm so excited about these Crocs, and today's winner is going to receive the size 7 giveaway. But I have a quick little unboxing before we go ahead and do the giveaway. And also, the winner of the size 8 Crocs never contacted me. Well, she attempted to contact me through Instagram, but I never received the DM, and I'm still waiting for you. I love bright colors. I have your Crocs right here. I need for you to DM me to my correct Instagram account or email me so that I can verify that, you know, you are the correct person that I'm sending the Crocs to. So please go ahead. It's really easy to get in touch with me through Instagram. I have your Crocs right here still since the last giveaway. All the prior giveaway winners were able to go ahead and receive their Crocs, but I do still have yours. I'm holding on to them for you, so please go ahead and DM me on Instagram as well as email me. For the size 7 Crocs, these right here are the ones that we're pulling for today. The winner will be announced today for the size 7, and you girls requested it. We haven't done a size 9 yet, so we're going to be doing the size 9. I'll tell you how to enter to win this pair. But before we do that, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick little unboxing, and then we'll get into the giveaway. I wanted to go ahead and do this unbagging, not unboxing, of an item that I picked up at Ross. So I have it right here, and I have my receipt in the bag, and it is a pair of Quay Australia sunglasses. So I love the Quay Australia sunglasses. I have my receipt right here, and I was able to find this pair on sale very affordably at Ross. So I went ahead and I picked it up, and these are the Quay Australia sunglasses. And I was so excited about this pair because this is the first time that I've got a pair with the clear case. This is the first time. It says Quay Australia right there in the front of it, and it's a see-through transparent clear case. And normally when I get my Quay Australia sunglasses, they come in this type of case in the black, either the soft cloth case or the black Quay Australia case. So this time around, when I received them, I was so happy when I saw them in this. I've seen a lot of you girls with them with the clear case, and I never picked up one with the clear case before. So I was happy about that. This is a pair called NOOSA, and I'm gonna go ahead, let me go ahead and cut the tags off so that I can go ahead and try them on. But I thought that they were super cute, super cute, because they are tortoise shell, and the tortoise shell is just a really nice type of sunglass. It's just, I like that style with the tortoise. You know, if you're not doing all black, and since my hair is so jet black, sometimes I want a pair of sunglasses that's not jet black, you know, so that I'm not just all blacked out. And let me just go ahead and clip this because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get that off. So I just went ahead and clipped that off, you guys, and this is what they look like on me. My hair is doing something. I don't know what my hair is doing today. I'm not really sure, but it's okay. I'm just gonna stick with it, whatever it's doing. Yeah, so this is the NOOSA Quay Australia Sunnies, and I just thought they were so adorably cute in the tortoise shell. And I went ahead and picked them up. They were only $19.99. And I'll go ahead and insert pictures, but they were only $19.99 at Ross, and they sell them really affordably at Nordstrom Rack as well. A little more on the website, which is fine, but you could always pick them up at Nordstrom Rack, and they came in Ross this time around, so I wanted to go ahead and pick them up. The little button, the little tab is magnetic, so it's really easy to close it because it finds the stud kind of easily. There it is. So my Quay Australia NOOSAs. So let's go ahead and get into it with this giveaway. Okay, so I have my cup right here. I have my little Starbucks cup, and I have a pen, and I have all the giveaway entries right here. Let's go ahead and just put this here for right now. So I have my booklet here with all my giveaway entries. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the winner for the Crocs size 7, which is this pair of Crocs right here, the Crocs size 7s. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is put them in the cup, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to do the giveaway. So the first person, I have all the little entries right here written out in front of me. And the first person was Monica that entered. So I have Monica's name right here. Monica. I'm going to go ahead and fold your entry and put it in the cup. Go ahead and fold it. Maybe I'll do it one more time like that. Drop it in the cup. The next person was Cooking with Mel Mel. So I have Cooking with Mel Mel. I have your entry right there. I'm going to go ahead and fold it up. Go ahead and fold up that entry for Cooking with Mel Mel and drop it in the cup. Okay, the next person is Cheryl Shelton. Cheryl Shelton, I have your entry for the size 7. I'm going to go ahead and fold up this one and drop it in the cup. The next person is Assunta Palladino, so I have to look for where I wrote it down because I wanted to prepare a little bit. So I did a little bit of prep work. Assunta Palladino, here's your entry going in the cup right now, making sure that we have everyone. The next person is Becca Brown. Here is Miss Becca Brown, Miss beautiful Becca Brown right here, like the lovely Becca Cosmetics. Your entry is going in right now in the cup. The next person is Melissa Corner. Melissa Corner. Your entry is going in the cup. Hi, Melissa. So let me go ahead and enter your entry in the drawing for the Crocs size 7. The next person is Titanium. And I'm not going to sing it because I'm not a singer. But I love that song by David Guetta, Titanium. I absolutely love that song. So your entry will be going in the cup next. Shooting star. I know it has that word, those words in it, but I'm not gonna break out in song with that one because I ain't even gonna fool myself. I know I can't sing that one. Okay, Titanium is going in the cup, and let's see who the next entry is. Bay Blessed. I'm looking for that one. Here is Miss Bay Blessed 981 for the size 7. That entry will be going in the cup for the raffle of the Crocs size 7, Bay Bless 981. The next person going in will be Victoria Sanchez. Hi, beautiful. Your entry is going in, Miss Victoria Sanchez. Your entry is going in the cup for the Crocs size 7. I'm so excited. I get so excited because you guys stick with me, you watch my videos, you make lovely comments, and I'm just so happy that you guys are going to get your treats and your Crocs and other giveaways that I have coming up on the channel. So stay tuned. The next giveaway is Queen B Mike Page. Queen B Mike Page. You go ahead, Queen B, with your bad self. You a Queen B. Okay, so Queen B Mike Page will be going in the cup next. I have this entry going in for Queen B Mike Page. And then the next person is Miss Siobhan Campbell. I have your entry, Siobhan Campbell. Hi, beautiful. Your entry will be going in next for the Crocs size 7. Only a few more. Stick with me, you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to hit like. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And the next person that will be going in is Miss RPB. So I have your entry going in, RPB. You're the next entry that will be going in. And that is the last person. I had an extra piece here with my pen just in case I had, I wanted to make sure I had all the entries. So I had an extra blank one just in case, because I didn't want to do it and then come in here and then not have all the entries. But those are all the entries. So we have all the entries in the cup right here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good shake. And then we're going to go ahead and pick a winner. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this giveaway. Okay, give it a good shake. And the winner will be, let me go ahead and pull somebody. Just one person is all we need. One person. Okay, I have one right here. And the winner is Monica. Monica Hey Monica, you're the winner of the Crocs size 7. Anytime I think of the name Monica, I think of Monica from Friends. But yes, Monica, you are the winner of the Crocs size 7. So I will be mailing this out to you. Go ahead, contact me, Monica, by DM on Instagram. It's the same name, lvluxegirl, like on my channel. Or you can go ahead and email me. I have all my information in my about, and it will be in the description drop down box bar below. Go ahead and email me so that I can go ahead and send you your winnings. For the Croc size 9, we had someone asking about the Croc size 9 right here. So this will be the one in the next upcoming giveaway in a couple of days. You have to keep watching to know which pair of Crocs I will be giving away. And all I need you to do is go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. You have to be subscribed to the channel and like the videos. And I can see in my YouTube who's watching. I can see in my YouTube who's hitting like. I can see in my YouTube who's subscribed. Make sure you go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big like, as well as continue to watch. In the comments down below, leave me a comment, and in your comment, put Croc size 9. To enter, put Croc size 9, and in a couple of days, I'll be back. I'll be back, you guys, in a couple of days to draw another giveaway winner, and with plenty of other videos. And thank you so much for hanging it out with me, sticking it out with me on my channel here, always watching my videos, always leaving me lovely comments. And throughout the remainder of the holiday season, I just want to go ahead and give back to my subbies and to my subscribers. So I'll be doing giveaways until Christmas. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video. I'm still thinking about the double Dutch bust, you guys. Okay.